In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP SmartTank 7001 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, just search for HP SmartTank 7001 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that reads HP SmartTank 7001 or 701 all in one. Go ahead and open up that link. And then going underneath the support category that says software and drivers, go ahead and select that and give it a moment. And then just scrolling down here, select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software. Go ahead and download that to your device. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting the contents. And it should be assigned verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the on-screen wizard of getting your device properly configured with your printer. Make sure it's connected via USB or Wi-Fi connection, whatever your preference is. And if there's any optional software you want to install that comes bundled with this package, you're welcome to install it. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.